Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Ryan Zansini, number NPM 24411081, class of MNJ 24C. In this video, I will explain one of the material from business mathematics, namely material is linear functional. Application of linear functional. Linear functional is a function that is very often used by economists and business experts in analysis and solving economic problems. Number one, some application of linear functional in economy and business. A. Specialization function, supply function, and market equilibrium. Demand function. Demand function is to show the relative relationship between the number of product demanded by consumer with product price. Application function. The supply function shows the real relationship between the amount of product offered by producer for sale and the price of the product. Market equilibrium. The market for a good is said to be in equilibrium if the quantity demanded in the market is equal to the quantity offered. B. Two product market equilibrium. In the market, sometimes the demand for a good is affected by the demand for another good. This can happen for two or more products that are related by substitution or product. Mathematically, the demand function and supply function of interesting product have two independent variables. The two independent variables that affect the amount demanded and the amount offered are: number one, the price of the product itself; number two, the price of other relative product. C. The effect of tax and subsidies on market equilibrium. The existence of a government-imposed tax on the sale of a good will cause the producer to increase the selling price of the goods by the tax rate per unit, or T, so that the supply function will change and eventually the market equilibrium will change as well. D. Cost function, revenue function, and break-even analysis or BEP. Cost function fixed. Cost function fixed cost or FC is a cost whose total amount remains within a certain range of activity volume. In other words, costs that remain fixed even though the volume of activity change. Example of fixed costs are the cost of paying for chemical experts, food, rental costs for sale, premise, and depreciation costs for product equipment. Variable cost function or FC. Variable cost or FC are costs whose total amount changes in the proportion to change in the volume of activity. The more goods produced, the variable cost will increase in the proportion to the increase in the amount of production. Example of variable costs are raw material costs, packaging, and labeling costs. Total cost function or TC. Total cost is the result of the sum of fixed costs with variable costs, of which the mathematical equation as TC sama dengan VC plus total VC or TC sama dengan VC plus VC X key. Total revenue or TR. Opinion in the total amount of products retrieved from product sales, namely the selling price per unit or P multiplied by the sale quantity or key, or hard the mathematical approach as TR sama dengan P kali X. Break-even analysis or BEP. Break-even or cost home is a stage of the company whose revenue is equal to the total amount of its cost. In other words, the company does not making a profit but also does not suffer a loss or profit and loss equal to zero. Consumption and saving function is introduced by John M. Kennish. The consumption function several assumptions, namely, number one, there is certain amount of absolute consumption to survive if there is no income. Consumption number two, consumption is related to disposable income. Number three, if this disposable income increase, consumption will also increase, albeit by smaller amount. Number four, the proportion of the increase in disposable income spot on consumption is constant. MC plus margin profitability to consumer is constant. Thank you for watching. See you the next video. Bye bye.